Did you know you can deck the halls without breaking the bank? Well, if not, this video is for you. Let's go over some amazing budget-friendly options for this holiday season, helping you spread holiday cheer without emptying your wallet. The rising costs, many people struggle to find Christmas decor that is decorative and still looks festive and fun and is affordable. We'll also explore just a few of my favorite places: Walmart, Target, Dollar Tree. Also gonna share with you some of the most affordable designer dupes and highlight really what makes these pieces so unique and so special. These pieces you're gonna wanna share with your friends and family, or even become pieces that you pass along to your children when they're older and they start their own Christmas traditions. I find it especially easy to come up with DIY projects when it comes to Christmas decor with pieces that just don't have a lot of detail, whether it's a silhouette of a reindeer or anything else related to Christmas. I just find that less detail and more abstract gives a more elevated look, also is more captivating to the eye. So keep that in mind when you guys are doing your DIY. And looking and searching high and low for those most affordable designer dupes that are out there, because they most certainly are. And honestly, you really can't tell that it's a dupe if you're looking at it like on the shelf and comparing the two side by side. It's incredible. Literally, I promise you guys, you should definitely try it out. Make things that are going to be timeless and things that look more on the high end side. One way to do that is simply by giving that piece less detail than you normally would. So it's just the shape of it or how abstract it looks. Because it's not perfect, those are the pieces that come out the best. I don't know about you guys, but I love me a can of snow. It just reminds me of Friday after the next. But yeah, Walmart has some really good ornaments. A lot of them are priced between $1 and $2, and honestly, who could beat that? Almost hard to not buy all of them because a lot of them are really cute. Some of them have more of a nostalgic look that doesn't really fit my decor, but some of these like black and white snowmans with little to no features, that's kind of like my taste in my decor realm. But different textures, different materials, natural woods, things like that I absolutely love. Things that look handmade, I feel like last a long time, bring a lot of character for whatever piece you're using it for, and are those essential pieces that you keep year after year and maybe pass down to your kids. I am dying to decorate someone's home using red and white. And maybe one day I will actually do it myself, but this velvet nutcracker for an ornament, you guys, oh my God. If I were doing anything red for Christmas, this would be all over my tree. I kid you not. So stinking cute. So just like simple, but has like that very rich Christmas feel. I love it so much. They also have like these blow up outdoor characters. They have like a Christmas tree, a snowman, Hello Kitty, Cindy Lou, who my favorite Christmas movie is definitely The Grinch. Bluey, my kids would go insane if they were shopping with me, but I love The Grinch. I'm definitely thinking about doing a Grinch theme. I just don't know when that's gonna happen, but I promise you guys will be you definitely will see all of that for sure. So yeah, just lots of the same things that they had from years prior to. These wooden beads, love those. They have lots and lots of garland of all different colors for a reasonable price. They're fully stocked right now, so if you are a garland person, get it now. This peppermint ceramic tree, so cute. And the Santa, they had this last year and I fell in love with it. It just didn't go in my decor. The candy gingerbread houses. Don't know if I'm gonna actually put the tree up in my girls' room or if I'm gonna get them like a larger version Last year we got them like a mini one, but I'm actually thinking about getting them a stand-up tree because I feel like they're getting older and they will appreciate it more. I just think it's so cute. They also have these mini ornaments if you did want to get your kids a small Christmas tree that is like a tabletop one. So many cute options, honestly, and so colorful and fun. Oh, love it. Someone gifted me a pack of these smaller ones a couple years ago. They had like rainbows on them, like really like boho style. I hope you guys enjoy Christmas as much as I do because it is such a great time to just like slow down, spend time with your family, eat really comforting food, love on each other, and be thankful for your household. Just to wrap everything up, we've covered different places to shop for Christmas decor, and that really is going to give you the best deal. When it comes to DIYing, I think this is truly something that we overlook, right? We don't use the pieces in our home that we already own to make something new or to create or reinvent something that we've already owned. I've done this multiple times in my home where I am sick of a piece and I think to myself, well, how can I make this into something else that I'm going to love? And so that is what I have been focused on because things are getting very, very pricey. Cost of decorations, cost of everything is getting very, very high. These pieces can really transform your home into winter wonderland, which is something we all strive for. Christmas time is just such a magical holiday to those who celebrate it, and it is such a special time for family and friends and just creating those very nostalgic moments in your home. So if you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment down below. Let me know where you guys are shopping for your Christmas decor, where you found the best deals. Always looking for new hidden gems and even some of the family-owned places that are kind of on the smaller side. I love that because you can always find those unique pieces to tie everything together in a particular area in your home. As always, happy shopping, and I thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. So this is the tree. Oh.